If you're looking to sell, give away or decommission your Apple TV, you need to perform a factory reset first, as it will remove the device from your Apple account and return it back to the state it left the factory. However, it's also worth noting that performing a factory reset can, in some instances, fix a problem with your Apple TV if it starts to misbehave. If from the home screen, we locate and select Settings, and then scroll down through the list of options to choose System. Within System, under the subheading Maintenance, we will find three options. By choosing Reset, we can then select from one of two reset options. The first, Reset, will restore our Apple TV back to its factory default settings, erasing all settings and information. The second, Reset and Update, will also restore our Apple TV back to its factory default settings, erasing all settings and information. However, this option will also reinstall the latest version of tvOS. So if you want to quickly reset your Apple TV, you should choose Reset. But if you're looking to fix a problem or you intend to sell your Apple TV, you should use Reset and Update. For this example, we're going to choose Reset. We're now prompted to confirm that we wish to factory reset our Apple TV. By choosing Reset for a second time, our Apple TV will start the factory reset process. You will find that your Apple TV will restart a number of times while it performs its factory reset. So you should not remove the power or try and cancel the task, as this could damage tvOS and prevent your Apple TV from restarting. When you are presented with the Hello screen, it will be at this point that it's safe to disconnect your Apple TV from the mains or start to set it up again from scratch.